In this video, we'll see how you can collect website data using the no-code event tracker. Let's start with an e-commerce store. Once you've connected your website by adding the tracking code, click here to launch the no-code event tracker. This is a sample Shopify store with some sample products. The no-code event tracker is a small widget that appears on the site. There are already a list of predefined events that you can choose from, or you can create custom events as well. Let's get started by tracking a simple event that triggers when a user clicks on the product on the home page. Select the event name from the dropdown, pick the element on the website. Enabling the pick common selector will replicate the event for all your products. Now select the attributes to give context to your event. In this case, we want to know what is the name and the price of the product being clicked. Since the price is a numerical entry, we choose the number as the attribute type. Selecting an attribute is not limited to just text and numbers, but a lot more. The next screen helps in avoiding false event triggers. You can give the landing page that users will be taken to once they click on the product. And hit save. Lastly, this screen helps in selecting the pages that you want this event to fire. Now save the action. We've successfully recorded our first event. Similarly, if you want to track another event, let's say products added to cart, simply open the no-code event tracker again, click on record action, choose the action name, action type, and then pick the element from the website using the icon. Again, add attributes such as product name, price, quantity. Then product variant. You can also add other relevant attributes and then hit next. In this case, there's no separate thank you page with a URL, but just a small note. To track the success scenario, click on the static text and choose the element from the website. Lastly, choose the pages that you want this event to fire and click save. Now before closing, publish your events and go back to CustomerLabs CDP. You can test your events by clicking on Verify Event Data. You'll be able to view all incoming data in this section. In this way, you can add as many events without writing a single line of code. Now let's see how you can use the no-code event tracker in a B2B scenario. This is a standard blog page that has a lead form at the bottom. To track all the form details, click on record action, choose the action name, action type, and then choose the CTA from the website using the picker. Now select the appropriate attributes to give context to the event. CustomerLabs CDP supports a wide range of unique user IDs starting from email, phone number, Facebook, and Google Client ID. The collected user ID will help the CDP to easily match users when they interact on other platforms. Now select all the form fields using the picker icon. Now give the link to the thank you page to prevent false event triggers in the screen. and choose the pages that you want this event to fire and click Save. Lastly, let's see how SaaS marketers can use the no-code event tracker. In this scenario, tracking when a user connects a new source to the CDP is extremely crucial. A user can simply click on the Connect Source button to start the integration. You can track that particular event by clicking on Record Action, choose a custom name, select the action type, and pick the element using the picker. In this case, it would be critical to know what source a user has connected to the CDP. Simply create a custom attribute to get the name of that source. And click Next. Now choose the success scenario. That is, the page the user will be redirected once they perform that particular action. Finally, select the pages that you want this event to fire and click Save. Get started with codeless event tracking today.